Hello and welcome to this series of videos where we are discussing Python programming. In the other video, I was discussing about the features or the merits of Python, what it makes the number one language. We'll see some of the drawbacks, disadvantages of Python. When compared to the merits, definitely it's not very big, but still few points I need to note. The first one, it demands large resources. Demands large set of resources. See, compared to other languages, definitely this Python demands more resources. With the current the available kind of hardware or software resources, this is not really a big deal, because we have a lot of the processor speed, lot of primary memory and lot of cache, so that makes Python okay. Relatively it is going to work well with the current set of system. But if you want to work with the low-end machines where the resources are very at low level, microcontroller, microprocessors, at some of the automotive devices and all, there the resources are less. There definitely it is difficult to use Python. Second one, it's not very much used in mobile applications, weak in mobile applications, mobile computing. Okay, there are their own set of reasons in terms of the software availability. For the mobile applications, it's absolutely a Java that is what more supported compared to the Python. Now, in particularly with the mobile computing is concerned, when we talk about the Python, it comparatively a little less responding or slow compared to other kind of languages like what we have, Java or JavaScript or C#. Now we have another one point I need to note. We have a more runtime errors. Okay, so this is a one point, because Python is compared to the compile time errors, there are more runtime errors. Python being an interpreted language, the most of the errors has been pushed to a runtime than compile time. If you go for the compiler languages C, C++ and Java, most of the things are at the syntax level or at the compile level, not at the runtime level. This also in some words it is both the useful as well as a disadvantage. So I will put this one into a disadvantage. So we have more runtime errors than compile time error. Runtime errors means the errors that are occurred when the program is running an application. So at the time the handling of this errors little difficult compared to the compiler based or compile time applications. Thank you for watching.